Python is often considered weird by some programmers for a variety of reasons. In this video, we want to show you 5 ways in which Python behaves in ways that might surprise you. Number 1. We can chain comparison operators like this. Here's another example. Number 2. Functions can have attributes in Python. Number 3. We can change the function label at runtime. Number 4. Python can do in-place value swapping. To do that, it uses an anonymous tuple followed by an unpacking operation. Number 5.